kumusta na kayo guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Right now, Dumaguete, or I mean Negros, is under modified ECQ. So there are travel restrictions. Kids aren't allowed to go out. So I decided not to travel this while we're still on NECQ. So women, as we all are, we love to shop. My goodness. These are the things that are just left in my cart. I'm gonna show you my precious finds in my van. So I have here, I think you already saw my my photo, yung yung bonggang dramatic photo na yun. That's a stage photo, guys. Stage lang yun. It's just for Instagram. You know, we do that. But I want to show you this. Kasi I got two actually. I got two. This is a mahilig tayo sa wine. And I always break my wine glasses in the van. So I decided to really get this one. So I got two. It's really nice. My brother Piki actually loves it. Ano, she likes gold, so bagay sa kanya, hindi bagay sa akin. Anyway, pang photo, this is for practical use, para hindi talaga mabasag, para hindi na ako mabasagan ng wine glass. I also have here this. I always wanted to have a kettle kasi yes, I have my mocha pot, but sometimes mahirap siya i-open, and the mocha pot, though espresso yung ano niya, semi-espresso lang, nakukulangan ako sa kape. So it would take me longer to make coffee. So right now, I also have this, by the way. Wala pang hugas. I also got this from this is a filter, coffee filter. I got this from Shopee as well. Pero wala akong I don't have the kettle. I have a kettle yung binigay ng tita ko, but it's too small. So I got another one here. It's so cute. You are going to love it. Diba? Ang cute niya. Right? Ang cute niya, right? See that? So cute. And this one whistles. Nice, right? Cute. Very cute. So these are the cute finds that I have recently in my van. Because I didn't travel, yung van na naman ang pinagdidiskitahan ko. The other door of my van is broken. Hindi siya na-open from the outside. Dapat pang sa loob pa siya So I decided to redo everything, make my sink shorter, because I wanted to have a bigger bed para kasya talaga kami. Last time in our camp, we're so sikip in a van. That's why I decided to occupy to make a bigger bed. And my bed, I'm gonna redo that again. Na naman. I'm gonna make a cabinet, outer kitchen. I'm gonna make a pull out kitchen of some sort. And because of that, I got some new tools. Yay! Pakita ko sa inyo. Sensya na, guys. By the way, my outfit today is sponsored by PK Jewelries again. Nagbebenta sila ng 8K gold. Bisita lang kayo sa store nila. Marami silang new stocks. They have new stocks, guys. Dagan silang stocks. Pagkada mo gete mo, bisita mo sa store sa kumakas. Yan. Oh no, this is a toolbox. I just got this toolbox for what's inside. So it's an 820 watt angle grinder. This is a cheap find that I got from Handyman Dumaguete. I got this actually at a 40% discount. So it's on sale, kaya ito yung pinili ko. And medyo malaki yung grip niya dito. But the good thing about this is it comes with this. So, pero guys, don't ask me yet on how to use this. I'm still learning. And I'm reading a bunch of safety tips. Kasi, oh my gosh, this is really scary. A lot of stuff happened with this one because it's so big up. Or you can hold it like that. No, I think pwede kasi siya. I can put this handle here or here. So, ganito. Better. Kasi sobrang mabigat siya talaga. This cost only, let me see. This cost only 2,142. And 40% pa yan. So, diba? And this isn't, ano naman, ano to 840 watts. Hindi madaling, mas mataas yung watts, mas maganda kasi hindi siya madaling iinit yung, ano mo, yung device mo. And it comes with, only one, this one, metal grinding, what do you call this one? You know me, I'm the lagari and, martilyo girl. Yeah, you see in my video, I'm the lagare and martilyo girl. Very basic auntie nyo guys. Nakakaano. Very basic yung auntie nyo. Watch a toolbox. Dito na siya. Safe here. And so, ganyan. Diba? Joke. I'm just being funny, guys. And then that's not it, guys. That's not it. Meron pa. Kala nyo tapos na. Meron pa, guys. I'm so happy. Actually, I wanted the wireless one, but mahal siya eh. For now, mahal siya kasi I have this. Run! Umikit ka guys. Ay, nakita niyo na. Run! Diba? Oh my God! It's a driller! See? It's a drill, guys. So, I got this for, this is 4,750 at a 30%. Kala nyo 30% siya guys. So, ano lang, 3,000 something. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right? Not your kind of girl, huh? This is my toolbox. Anyway, so much for that, guys. Kita ko sa inyo. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. So, ipanin din yung camera. Ganyan. Ganyan. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. So, it's complete. That's a manual. Don't ask me yet again. I'm still learning this stuff. Yeah, it comes with some tools as well. So, yan. Cover na muna natin. Mahirap siya. Yan! Diba, guys? Ang ganda na. Ganda. Diba ang ganda? Maganda ang grip niya. Saktong-sakto lang, guys. This includes a hammer drill as well. But this isn't heavy duty. Ano lang to, pang bahay. Hindi to pang construction. Ano lang to, pang bahay. Yung heavy duty kasi, matagal siyang uminit. But I don't need something pang construction naman. So this fits my needs. I would love the cordless one, but the cordless one costs 11,000. But I'm really thinking about it. Oh my God, but I think it's not practical at the moment. I was thinking about it, but it's not practical. This is really handy for me because I always wanted to create something, yung mga, like, a gift sa mga tita ko. Like, before I made a DIY, what do you call this, wine and coffee bar. Yung mga aunt ko gusto din nila, and I wanted to fulfill that dream for them soon. Mga simple lang na simple DIY ano lang projects, and I can do a lot with this. And so ayun, yun nga, we're limited right now. We're limited to travel because of the restrictions, but ano tayo creative tayo. Ano ba yan? I don't know what to say it. Right now we're limited to travel, but it's okay. At least I got this chance to think about this, diba? Mano ko na talaga siya. Yung ma-fulfill ko na itong dream na to, diba? Because I'm saving more a lot these days. I'm not, if you can see I traveled to the south of Negros, and ilang videos na yung nagawa ko doon, diba? Sobrang nakasave ako. I don't need to travel every week. Also because of the restrictions, I'm limiting my travel, and I wanted to save more from gas and stuff. If ever I would go on a trip, I would plan it para marami na yung lugar na mapuntahan ko. Marami na akong videos na magawa, and kaya I was able to buy also this one. I was able to save up for this and other stuff that I have, the grinder. Soon, tell me kung ano pang kulang. I know I'm not a professional. You know, I'm not a professional in this kind of stuff. Tell me kung ano pa yung kulang. Yung mura lang, guys. I mean, not mura, but yung kailangan ko talaga. If you think what I need, tell me what I need in my van. I know I still need a lot. I need a roof rack, pero later na muna siguro. I don't really need it. Really need it at the moment. Maybe I'm gonna need it if I wanted to have this awning kasi maybe. But later na siguro. One at a time lang, hindi tayo mayaman. One at a time, okay? Right now, I'm just excited. So, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Salamat sa mga sumuporta. Dagang kayong salamat sa taga Dumaguete nga nagsuporta sa ako. Shout out sa Dumagueteños, sa mga miyembro dara sa mga Dumagueteños. Salamat kayo, guys. Nalipay ko nga daghan ni PM na ako nga nang nalipay sad sila sa like with my lifestyle. I made them happy with my videos. Salamat po kayo na nagustuhan ninyo ang akong video. Sa ako pong mga napugidaghang fans sa Cebu, salamat kayo ninyo, guys. Especially sa mga outdoor enthusiasts, salamat kayo that ilarasad kong recognize. And also mga bike campers in Cebu, salamat kayo, guys. Puhon magkita rin yata. And sa mga to my fans in Luzon, thank you so much, guys. Sa mga Vanlifers, salamat. Thank you so much sa suporta. I really appreciate it. Sa atong gamay nga channel, inyo ra jud kong gitabangan. Salamat kayo. And thank you for helping me on my small channel. Also, my friends from outside the country, thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Daghang salamat. Bye. By the way, here's my official logo. I'll be launching my own merch soon. Maybe tin cups, shirts, and stuff, but no definite plans yet.